Today we're gonna be making some maple bacon flavored dry rub chicken wings because I've always eaten fish and my parents always make the fish for like 3 days in a row, so finally they buy me chicken so I can make it, but I have to make it myself even though they should be making it. But I'm making it. So the sauce is right here, but it's a powder. And the instructions are, well, there's microwave instructions and there's crispy instructions, like if you want to make it crispy. And we're just gonna put it in the oven. So first you preheat the oven and you line a baking sheet with a foil and spray lightly with cooking spray. Arrange the wings in a single layer on the sheet. Bake on center rack for 10 minutes, flip them over, and then bake an additional 5 to 10 minutes. So right here, the chicken, as you can see. So you got the foil baking sheet. Just gonna spray it. Then we're gonna open the chicken box with some kitchen scissors. I mean the chicken bag. All you need to do is really just get half of it open and then you just rip it. So put it in the bowl first. Okay. You put the chicken first. You gonna place the chicken. Well, how many chicken you want on the baking sheet. I'm just gonna put how much it can fill. These chickens are mainly like flats. So there's a few chicken wings. Just put them on. Just make space on the foil. So now you just put this in the oven. Place it in the oven after it's already been preheated. And then you wait until it's over. 10 minutes, well, around 10 minutes, and it's time to flip the chicken as for what the box says. So you take it out. Or whatever surface you can, that won't burn. And then individually you just flip the chicken. Each one. Okay, flip the chicken and then you put it back for another around. Well, you can put it back for as much as you want until it's in there and gold, until you think they're the right time. But on the box, it says put them back for 5 to 10 minutes. And okay, now we took out the chicken from the oven, and we're gonna place it in a bowl to add the seasoning to it. So you have a you just can use this thing. I don't know what it is. Thong, and you place the chicken into a bowl, like a big bowl, so you can like. Step to the thing, to the sheet. So now you get our seasoning, and it smells like bacon. Like, you know that bacon powder? It's smells like bacon, but the flavor's supposed to be... Oh yeah, it's supposed to be maple bacon. So you just pour the chicken all around. I mean the sauce, and then you use the bong to mix it around. Make sure you get the chicken really well. Slack. Smells like maple syrup now. Mixed with that chicken smell. And then you keep adding and mixing until, well, basically you're supposed to use the whole thing. But you don't have to use the whole thing if you don't really want to. Now it looks sort of more brownish. Now it's starting to look like put maple syrup on it. So you put it back onto the baking sheet to put it back into the oven. Now it looks glazed from the oil you sprayed on it from the baking sheet. Now you're going to put it back into the oven. Pour your oil for safety. Carry it from the oven, and we made some sandwiches, some cream cheese sandwiches with a side of tomatoes. So we're just going to put the chicken onto the plate now. We're just gonna put 5, as you can see. And yeah, that's how you make maple bacon chicken wings. You can make it as a snack, or you could buy 2 and serve it with your family. With potatoes or something. So tune in next time on Joshua Real and Clarity Valley TV.
Talk, let me hear now.
Tune in next time on Joshua Real, and peace.